Hello, today is open house day at the College of Communication Media. My name is Kaya Masiak, and I'm the Digital Media Communication Specialist and alumna class of 2022. And it's very exciting to be standing here today and just see how much the college has grown.
If I were a student who was aspiring to go into the communication and media fields, and I walked around here today, I would see everything that I'm looking for. You're going to walk around a campus that's 12 miles away from New York City, and you're going to hear about the opportunity to do internships and partnerships with some of the leading employers on the planet in our industries.
What has stood out to me today is the relationship between the professors and the students, but just the passion that I see in talking to some students in terms of their beginnings from freshman year to senior year. And we actually just spoke to a senior who mentioned that it was through his professor that he has an upcoming internship, and who knows, that could lead to a job. What happens after college is really important to me, but I definitely see that here in my conversations with some of the students.
You come to school here, you can do just about anything. You can write and produce for the Montclarian. You can be part of News Lab. You can be a part of the Red Hawk Sports Network. You can work in our agency, Hawk Communications. You can be in PRSSA. You can help produce content for Hawk Plus. Anything that you would find in a professional media ecosystem, you'll find it right here on campus.
The Montclarian is something that I'm looking forward to being a part of because I'm very into storytelling, editing.
Everyone who comes here is going to have the opportunity to get their hands dirty with equipment, with writing, with production, with working with industry professionals, and really the limits are simply your imagination.
Hundreds of prospective students and families have walked through our doors today. In case you've missed open house or have any questions, please feel free to contact Dr. Laura Rybluski, the Assistant Dean for Student Success. We hope to see you on campus soon.